What is that?
A baby.
It's a carrot.
A baby. Mom, go.
You gonna cook that for Grandma?
Yeah.
Well, let's start cooking. Stir it all up. You better cook that now.
Yeah.
Stir it up and make a good vegetarian meal.
An apple. An apple juice. An apple.
Okay, put it down on the board and cut the apple.
Yeah.
Oh, I think it's a tomato.
I know.
Can you say tomato?
I know.
I want some bread.
Red.
Mm-hmm.
Honey.
Yep. Put it on your cutting board.
Apple.
Mm-hmm. There you go.
Ready?
Yes, ready.
Honey.
Mm-hmm.
Me. Ready.
Get one out for me. Get a piece of bread for me.
Red.
No, you were cutting the bread. Ooh, yeah, give me a big piece. Yeah. You need to cut it.
Maps.
Try it. You try it first.
Yeah. Yeti.
Is it a little hard? Huh?
Yeti.
You're cooking?
Yeah. Hot. Hot.
It's hot?
Yeah. Hot. Poop. No, the apple. Dough. Cheese dough. Dough. A dough. A dough. A rat. Yati rat. Has dough. Yeah, Papa. Oh, yeah, Papa. Mommy house. Let's do it. Hour.
Put it on the board.
Yeah.
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 Mm-hmm.
This. It's there, Mommy. Apple there, auto. Apple auto. Ayachi. This. It's the apple.
Grandma needs a piece of that apple.
Apple.
Yeah, well, it is tomato, but I'll take it.
Apple. Da. Apple. Apple.
It's a tomato.
Put it on the board.
Apple.
Yes, tomato. You got a piece for me?
Yeah.
Okay, you try it first.
No, I got Mommy.
Okay, try the tomato.
This.
It's a cucumber. Say cucumber.
Yes.
Say cucumber.
Apple, yeah. Apple, yeah.
Put it on the board. Put it on the board. Try that. How does it smell?
Mommy.
Try it. How does it smell?
Can you smell it? Smell it, Kels.
Apple, day.
Kelsey, you get all the don't cut stuff like that. Can you smell it?
That's it.
Uh-oh. I wish I had been the one who thought of those vegetables with Velcro in the middle. I'd be rich.
Can you say bye?
And on a beach in sunny Florida.
No, bye.